Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, no, I think you do. That would be my thing. But do you get emails from boy readers?
Yeah, I got one nice email from a girl reader, but everything else has been boys.
Wow.
Okay. My perception was that because I read your book and I like it, was that girls would be really interested in it too. But that's good.
Yeah.
Getting those boy readers.
Mm-hmm. You're not talking about the fan mail I sent you.
I'm not so
one girl.
There was this one thing from a woman named Miranda.
It kind of freaked me out. It was a little bit over the top.
No, we definitely get emails and we're like, somebody had to have sent this to us.
We think our moms send every email.
Boys are emailing too, though, right?
Yeah, they're reaching out.
We've had a couple boy emails. Yeah, oh yeah.
I haven't gotten one boy email.
No, I haven't either.
We had one. It was like the best moment ever.
Yes.
We were signing in Laura's hometown, Hudson, and I was there all by myself. And you know how those things are. Usually, you're like just sitting there, like looking like a total dope. And this guy comes up. He was probably 11 or 12, and he has a copy of the Liar Society. I was like, oh, awesome! I'm so glad you're gonna try it out. And he's like, oh no, I've already read it. I just wanted a signed copy.
So nice.
Oh, this was awesome. It was so cool. We never.